Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a 1988 Porsche 911 Turbo Slant Nose. So it has a different nose in the front. It's part of Matchbox collector. If you don't know, it's premium castings from Matchbox, has better details, and is mostly focused at the collectors rather than on the toy segment. It comes with a box, so once you open it up, you can put that in the box, which I always like. And it's number 10 of the 20 cars which were released. It looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 1988 911 Turbo Slant Nose out of its box. Now, the reason it's called Slant Nose, if you look at the front, right from here, if you see it goes down, dips down, rather than typical 911 where you have a headlamp here and it kind of flats out. So that's why it's called Slant Nose. Now, looking at the front, so unlike 911s, it has flip-up headlamps, which is not typical of 911s. Other details which also look good, you've got detailed tail lamp, fog lamps, a Porsche badge, some grill here. I think it's for getting more air in, cooling, maybe. Engine is in the back, so I don't know. Fuel filler on the front because the engine is in the back. You've got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, which again look good. Black actually looks good. It's a nice black paint. It's shiny, deep, looks really good. Now, coming onto the driver's side, some nice details here. You got rubber tires, the 5-spoke wheels, which look good on this Porsche. From here onwards, it's the typical Porsche shape. You can see the two doors and it comes back there. What you would say? Teardrop shape? Yeah, something like that. Wheel arches slightly flared, but that's typical of 911. You got some vents here, bring in more air, I guess, for the rear. Yeah, it looks good on the side. Looks really nice. Now coming to the back, again a lot of good details here. You can see painted tail lamp, which looks good. You got the turbo badge, and the Porsche written in there looks really good. It actually looks like there's like the way it has painted looks like there's glass. That's not. You've got the black bumper, which is not very visible because of the black paint. Big spoiler, some cooling vents right there. Exhaust, you can see at the bottom. It's coming on the both sides, so basically twin or quad exhaust, I would say. So you got the exhaust. Now on the passenger side, looks almost identical. Only difference, no fuel filler here. The interior is finished in black. You can see the seats there. So good details. This looks from the bottom. So it's a metal base and it's new for 2026. Overall, I think it looks really nice and really cool, especially those older Porsche with slant nose. And I'm glad Matchbox did it and did it in this paint. Looks really nice, looks really good, and I don't think you will be disappointed with this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.